Welcome to the installation process of Bonusly Action Automation for Workflows. Search for App Marketplace on your left-hand side, and then you click on it. Search for the app and you click on it. Then you click on Install and head over to Allow and Install and click on it. When you are done with the installation, reload the page and then you search for the custom page of the app and you click on it. When you're done with your installation, reload the page and then you search for the custom page of the app and you click on it. This interface is going to pop up with all its credentials, such as the documentation and everything you need to get started with the app is right in here. We have the tutorial feature, and in here you're going to see a smart kill video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. And we have the setup feature. We are going to walk you through on how to connect this app. Click on the start setup and you will be required an access token to complete your configuration. Head to the account which we've created and then you click on your profile. Then you click on the profile settings. Click on the services. And click on create new API access token. You give a name, then you toggle on the read only and you create the API key. Copy the key immediately and head to your account and paste. Then you click on the complete setup and your app will be successfully connected. We have the support center where you'll be able to submit a detailed request and schedule a one-on-one video session with the support team. And as well, the change log feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this specific app. To stay updated, toggle on the notification button, insert your email, and you click on the subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up, and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching.